Hey everyone, this is Isaac and welcome to another Photoshop tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to teach you everything you need to know to get started working with filters. Let's get started. The first thing you want to do is select the layer you want to put the filters on. Then go to filter, and here are all your filters. There's 16 types of filters. Let me go through them all. In this video, I'm going to show you what they do, and in future videos, I'm going to go over them in more detail. The first thing you have is the filter gallery. Here you can choose between many different filters. These filters help you give more style to your image. Here you have your liquify tool. You have your blurs here. You have distorted filters, which help you distort your image. You have noise filters, which add a grainy texture to your image. You have pixelate filters, which help you pixelate your image. You have render filters, which render in new objects to your image. You have sharpen filters, which help you sharpen up your image. You have stylize filters, which will help you add more style to your image. And here you have video filters and other filters. But this is everything you need to know for now. Stay tuned because I will go through all of the filters I just mentioned and show you how to use them more effectively. And that's it for this video. If you found this video useful, subscribe for more tutorials like this one. Check the description below for the links of all my socials, and if you have any questions or future video requests, leave them down in the comments below.